Hey y'all, welcome back. Today's all about family ties. I've been having a wonderful time with my Aunt Peggy, and she's gonna chat with us while we're making this wonderful buttery spinach with mushrooms. And you know what?
Wonderful.
All you have to do is continue to just sit there and look pretty.
That's good.
Isn't she beautiful, y'all? Look at that beautiful hair. And she's almost 80, did I tell y'all?
She likes to tell my age.
Well, you know what?
And I tell it too, because I'm proud of it. Not many people are my age and in good a shape as I am.
As you should be. You are just beautiful. All right, I'm just gonna slice up our baby portobello until I have about a cup.
I try and eat right, exercise right, and live right. And it's hard some days,
I know it is.
keeping it all together.
And listen, y'all, she eats like a horse. She eats like a horse. It's just not fair.
I am fortunate there that I can eat. But you realize I'm still walking 2.5 miles every day.
You walk 2.5 miles every day.
Uh-huh.
Well, on a good day, I'll drive that far.
I know you're not a walker.
I'm not all that crazy about it.
I know.
All right, now, to our skillet, Peggy, I'm gonna put about a tablespoon of butter.
Good.
And, you know, I'm not a big user of olive oil.
Oh, really?
You know, I love my butter, but I do love the taste that olive oil gives dishes. So I'm gonna use about half and half. Half olive oil, half butter. The flavor is gonna be fabulous. And I've got my 1 clove of garlic, and I'm gonna just run that, Peggy, through our little garlic press.
And you come up with slivers?
There's our garlic. I'm gonna add a little salt. Now I'm gonna toss in our mushrooms and then squeeze in about a teaspoon of lemon juice, y'all. I'm gonna put us just a little bit of fresh leeks in there. And I've just got it sitting up here in water, y'all, because it can get dirt down in these leaves. So, ooh, that one looks good and clean,
beautiful.
though. See that?
Gorgeous.
We're gonna wind up with a half a cup of leeks, and we're only gonna use the white part. And you can see I'm slicing it fairly thin, y'all.
May I have a taste, please?
Yes, you may.
Thank you.
Oh, it's so good. Isn't that yummy?
It's delicious. I
right.
like the consistency of it.
Now that's just gonna puff up our dish a little bit as far as flavor. So while that's sauteing, I'm gonna come over here, Peggy, and I'm gonna grate us about 1/4 of a cup of fresh Parmesan cheese.
Sounds wonderful.
Now this is one of those real healthy dishes
Yes.
that I love, love, love. And the cheese is gonna give it a little richness. That's about it. All right, now I'm gonna add 2 cups of spinach and stir that around and let it drink up that butter and that olive oil and that garlic. All right, I'm gonna add about a tablespoon of heavy cream, and I'm gonna add 1/4 of a cup of a vegetable broth. And while I'm doing this, Peggy, why don't you get our ham and our sweet potatoes out?
Oh, good.
And now I'm just gonna let that reduce just a little bit. Doesn't that look delicious, y'all? Okay. All right, now the last ingredient I'm gonna put is our 1/4 of a cup of the fresh parm. Those leeks in there, Peggy, are just beautiful. All right, now I'm gonna just take our spinach and I'm gonna fix our plates, if that's all right with you.
And that look wonderful.
Doesn't it look yummy? Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this blast from the past, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button, as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.